Hey, I'm Sarah Wolf from reviewsbysarah.com.
Today, I wanted to show you the basics of 5D diamond painting. This is a cool craft where you create paintings by placing little colorful plastic diamond beads on a sticky canvas. The first thing you need is a kit, and I'll have the online links of where I got mine in the description of this video. When you peel off the protective cover, you'll find a paint by numbers type of markings. And the surface is quite sticky. Try to avoid getting any lint or fuzz or hair on this canvas. Different letters indicate that you should use a different colored diamond bead in that spot, and you'll get an assortment of tools, including tweezers, which you can use to remove lint from the canvas, or even pick up the beads with, a plastic groove tray, a tacky gel wax, and finally, this tool that helps you pick up individual beads on one end or multiple beads on the other end. When you look at the beads or diamonds, the one side is completely flat. That's the side that will touch the canvas. The other side is rounded. That rounded side will face upwards to form the nice sparkly design. After putting the beads in the tray, give it a good shake. By shaking the beads, the flat part will face downwards and the rounded part upwards. Take your tacky gel wax and stick the tip of your tool into it. Scoop up a little bit of the wax into the tool's opening. This wax allows you to pick up the beads. Take your tool and press down on a bead with the rounded side up and the flat part down. Then place your diamond beads on the canvas like this. It's best to work on a flat surface, but I'm holding it like this so you can see it. Keep following the chart and the colors until you are finished. If you need to take a break, put the protective covering back over the work so you don't get lint on it. I like to do one color first, but you could do it in any order you prefer. And here's my finished design. This one was small, so I finished it in about 2 days. My next step is framing this to hang on the wall. I like putting it in a regular picture frame. You can use the glass in the frame or leave it out. I hope this has helped you. Please like and comment on this video.
And please push that big red subscribe button on my channel. And check out my website at reviewsbysarah.com.